Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0456, which means your car's computer detected a small leak in the Evaporative Emission System EVAP system. Don't worry, it's usually a simple fix. We'll go through the most common culprits and how to tackle them, saving you a trip to the mechanic. What is the EVAP system? Think of your EVAP system as a gas tank venting system with a conscience. It captures fuel vapors that escape the tank and feeds them back into the engine to be burned, reducing emissions. A leak in this system disrupts that process, causing the P0456 code. Tools you'll need: rags, replacement gas cap, socket wrench, smoke machine. Diagnosing and fixing problem, step by step. Check the gas cap. This is the most common culprit. Start by making sure your gas cap is on tight. Some caps click to indicate a proper seal, while others require several turns. If your cap is loose or damaged, replace it with a new one. Clear the code with a code reader or by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes, then see if the code comes back after driving for a day. Inspect the EVAP system hoses. These thin hoses can crack or become loose over time. Visually inspect them for any signs of damage, focusing around the engine airbox and charcoal canister, a black box, usually located in the rear of your car. If you find a cracked or disconnected hose, replace it using a hose clamp. Advanced troubleshooting. If the simple fixes don't work, a smoke machine can help pinpoint the leak location. This is a tool that pumps smoke into the EVAP system, and leaks will show themselves as smoke escaping. However, this method requires more specialized tools and knowledge. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider consulting a mechanic. Clearing the code. Once you've fixed the leak, clear the code with your code reader or by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. Drive your car for a day or two and check if the code returns. Remember, safety first. Always consult your car's manual for specific locations of parts and for any additional safety precautions. Fixing a P0456 code can be a breeze by checking the gas cap, inspecting the hoses, and possibly using a smoke machine. You can identify the leak and get your car's emissions system back in top shape. If you have any questions or run into trouble, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.